Hi, thanks for tuning in to the Driveway Dudes, my dudes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery in a Hyundai Tucson key fob. I've not actually done this before. I think it's pretty obvious how you change this. Well, not entirely obvious, but there's definitely a seam here that runs all the way in. I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, but it runs all the way in. And as far as I can tell, this is the cover for the battery. So I'm just gonna use my hand and see if I can open it. Oh, that was super easy. So basically I just put my thumb in here and pulled, and the whole thing popped off. You can see the battery here, CR2032. These batteries, I think people call them button batteries because they're about the size of a button. Are generally speaking, they're pretty cheap, but I don't recommend, like, you can buy super cheap ones from pound shops or Euro shops. I don't recommend using these in key fobs because I've done it in the past. So let me make the mistake for you. What happened is that you end up having to change the battery every 6 months or so because it just runs out. If you buy a decent battery, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below. You don't have to buy it through the link, but it'll just give you an idea. If you spend a couple of extra pound on a battery, it could last you 5 years or more. So that's why I recommend buying a decent battery, so you don't have to keep changing them all the time. As you see, it's easy to take it out, easy to put it in, almost tool free. I mean, if you could probably get it out with your nails, easier with a screwdriver, or I mean, in fairness, you could just use a butter knife for this. Knives are tools, and then I guess it's just a case of closing it again. There it is, easy as that. Working just fine. Well, thanks very much, guys. I hope this was useful. It's super easy job to change these. No point going into a dealership to change a battery when you can do it in literally 2 minutes. Buy the battery, you pop off the cover, pop it out, pop the new one in, and you're good to go. Thanks very much, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you follow us on social medias like Twitter, and hit that subscribe button. You know, it's completely free. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.